In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your Canadian tax return in TurboTax using autofill and a net file. We'll go through the process from the very beginning in a simple, clear way so you can follow along confidently. This method helps streamline your tax filing by connecting to official information from your CRA My account, answering the guided interview inside TurboTax, and then submitting your completed return directly to the CRA. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the TurboTax Canada community website at turbotax.community.intuit.ca. Using Chrome can help ensure the site loads properly and that the sign-in and form features work smoothly. Once the page opens, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct Canadian version of the site, since the options and tax rules are specific to Canada. Next, select the Canadian tax year you're filing for, along with the product tier that fits your needs. Choosing the correct tax year is important because your return must match the year of income you're reporting. You'll also see different product options, and the right one usually depends on how simple or complex your tax situation is. If you're unsure, review the descriptions carefully so you can choose the version that matches your filing needs. After that, log into your Canadian Intuit account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to set up a new account before moving forward. As you do this, make sure you're entering your information securely and accurately. If you're creating a new account, follow the prompts carefully so you can access your return later without any issues. Once you're signed in, click the option that says Autofill My Return. This allows TurboTax to securely pull available tax data from your CRA My account. This step can save time and reduce manual entry, especially for common slips and previously reported information. Be sure to follow the connection prompts carefully and approve access if requested, since this is what allows the information to transfer properly. From there, continue through the step-by-step interview questions for your income and deductions. TurboTax is designed to guide you in plain language, so take your time and answer each section carefully. Read each question fully before responding, and double-check any imported information to make sure it reflects your records accurately. Finally, review your summary carefully, paying close attention to totals, deductions, and any alerts or missing details. Once everything looks correct, click Net File to submit your return directly to the CRA. After submitting, it's a good idea to save a copy of your return and confirmation for your records. That's it. You've completed your Canadian tax filing process in TurboTax.